Perkenalkan, nama saya Nasma Wada. Saya perawat yang bertugas di ruang VIP 2 Rumah Sakit Umum Daerah Kabupaten Aceh Tamiang. Berikut kegiatan aktualisasi saya selama di Rumah Sakit Umum Daerah Kabupaten Aceh Tamiang.
A long, long time ago, there was a volcano living all alone in the middle of the sea. He sat high above his bed, watching all the couples play, and wishing that he had someone too. And from his lover came this song of hope that he sang out loud every day for years and years. I have a dream I hope will come true. You're here with me and I'm here with you. I wish that the earth see the sky up above will send me someone to love her. Years of singing all alone turned his lava into stone until he was on the brink of extinction. But little did he know that living in the sea below, another volcano was listening to his song. Every day she heard his tune, her
Form SBAR ini sangat membantu perawat SUP ya khususnya ya dalam serah terima informasi kesehatan pasien sehingga informasinya lebih lengkap, efektif dan efisien. Terima kasih.
Dengan adanya form SBAR dan penerapan komunikasi SBAR ini sangat membantu dan memberikan pengaruh positif kepada perawat, khususnya di ruang VIP 2 ini. Serah terima pasien antar shift terlaksana lebih efektif dan efisien. karena informasi tentang pasien tersampaikan dengan jelas dan lengkap.